you are going to love the 2019 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway miles per gallon is not bad either, and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener, cruise control, floor mats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.